Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what is Tesla Full Self-Driving. Tesla Full Self-Driving, or FSD, is an optional advanced driver assistance system that you can purchase for your Tesla vehicle. The name Full Self-Driving is an ambitious one, and it's important to know what the system actually does today. Currently, FSD does not make a Tesla fully autonomous, and it is classified by industry standards as a Level 2 automation system. This means the driver must remain fully attentive, with hands on the wheel, and be ready to take over control at any moment. FSD expands upon Tesla's standard autopilot features. While standard autopilot includes traffic-aware cruise control and automatic steering on the highway, the FSD package adds more complex capabilities. These FSD-specific capabilities generally include: first, navigate on autopilot, which actively guides the car from a highway on-ramp to an off-ramp, including automatically changing lanes to follow the navigation route and overtake slower vehicles. Second, traffic light and stop sign control, which identifies and responds to traffic lights and stop signs, slowing down and stopping the vehicle as necessary. Third, auto park, which assists with both parallel and perpendicular parking. Fourth, summon and smart summon, which allow the car to be moved in and out of tight parking spaces, or even navigate through a parking lot to find you, using the mobile app. And finally, the most advanced feature is automatic driving on city streets, which allows the car to navigate complex urban environments, including making turns and negotiating intersections, all while under active driver supervision. Tesla's FSD system uses a network of external cameras to perceive the environment. This system is continuously improving through over-the-air software updates, which incorporate data gathered anonymously from the entire fleet of FSD-equipped vehicles. In short, Tesla Full Self-Driving is a sophisticated suite of driver assistance features that performs many driving tasks, but it is not true full autonomy. The driver remains responsible for the safe operation of the vehicle at all times. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.